Hi, welcome to MarineMax Seabrook. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a quick tour of our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Really a cool boat. It's powered by the new Mercury Twin 250 V8 4-strokes. This boat does also have the joystick piloting as well. So we've got our built-in autopilot skyhook feature, which is a virtual anchor. Makes it really nice and easy for docking. 360-degree movement throughout the whole boat. Big open boat. It's a multi-purpose boat, so you can do fishing, cruising, skiing, kind of whatever you want to do. We got a freshwater shower located here in the transom. Big open cockpit when you do decide to get out and go fishing or entertaining. Nice big fold-out rear bench seat, which room for 2 or 3 people on the back side of the boat. We've also got a table that'll set up here in the rear cockpit or back up forward. We've got multiple seating options on this boat. We've got our back-to-back seating here. We can also take this backrest here and roll it forward, and then flip up our backrest here so you can face forward and kind of more lounge out as you're out spending the day on the water. We do also have a live well located underneath the seat as well. More storage underneath. So lots of places to put all your life jackets, safety gear. Easy way to spend a great day out on the water. On the port side here, we've got our vacuum flush head located under the console, freshwater sink. Nice finish out in teak. This boat also does have a snap-on bow cover, cockpit cover. Keep the boat nice and clean when you're away from it. We're on the starboard side helm station. We've got a nice area here where we can flush mount all of your electronics. We do also have the active trim on the boat with an automatic trim system, so really effortless operation as you spend your day out on the water. Remote stereo controls over here. We've got the upgraded stereo on board as well with the subwoofer and the upgraded speakers. Nice hard top with a ski tow point on the top as well. Wet bar area located over on the starboard side with the pull-out Yeti cooler, freshwater sink, and extra storage for just odds and ends and things like that. So we work our way forward. Notice our ski locker, rod storage down in the floor. We've got a dividing door, wind block, and then easy access under the starboard side of the console as well. Real nice big open area up here in the bow. These cushions are removable if you are getting out going fishing. Easy access to the windlass and freshwater washdown up front. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. We look forward to seeing you soon.